Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Michael J. Bunch. I'm an author working on my first dark fantasy novel. So today's video is a little bit different. As you can tell, you're seeing a bit of behind the scenes footage. Wanted to show you my workspace. So this is where I do most of my writing. I also do some writing while I'm at work if I have some time. In today's video, we're going to do a new type of video. It's going to be tech reviews, and today we're reviewing the Freewrite, and this version is the Hemingwrite Freewrite. Before we dive into the review, let's talk about the Freewrite for those unfamiliar with it. The Freewrite is a specialized tool designed for writers seeking a distraction-free writing experience. It strips away all unnecessary features, leaving you with just your thoughts and your words. At its core, the Freewrite is a word processor in an elegant package. It's built with high-quality components, including a responsive mechanical keyboard and a crisp e-ink display. These features combine to create an immersive writing environment that helps you focus solely on your craft. Today, I'll be reviewing the Hemingwrite. It's worth noting that Freewrite offers several other models. All of them are at a lower price point. For detailed specifications and pricing information, check out the link in the description below. Now let's get back to our review. So we're going to go over some things like the things that I like, the things that I don't like, and ultimately what I rate it out of. We'll go with 5. So first we'll start with some of the things that I like. I like the keys. They're very clacky, very tactile. If you like a lot of sound and feel with your keys, then you're gonna like this Freewrite. I also like the e-ink screen. It feels like it's just the right size, and honestly the slight delay is not very noticeable, and as you're writing you're not really staring at the screen. But one other thing that I like is it does help with distraction. So if I feel like I'm having trouble focusing on my writing, I'll pull this out and write on it. And as of now, I've had it for roughly 6 months, and I've written a good 20,000 words on it. So it's not my number one choice. My number one choice is actually just using my regular keyboard on my computer. Well, it's not a regular keyboard, it's a mechanical keyboard, but I do enjoy the mechanical keyboard feel, and the Freewrite definitely has that feeling. So those are some of the good things about it. It helps with if you're easily distracted. I used it a lot early on in this draft of my book. So this first draft early on, it helped out a lot, but as I came later in the draft, I needed more tools at my disposal to help with the writing process. But now we'll go into some of the things that I don't like about it. Now the obvious one would be the price. So if you don't know, the Freewrite is extremely expensive. I think it clocks in at around, after everything, around $1,000. But it's not a very good value. It depends on how much you have to spend and what it means to you. At the time, it was a good investment. It made sense for me. But now that I've been writing for some time, I'm not sure I would spend that amount of money again. Another thing that I don't like is the battery life. Battery life on the Freewrite is actually not the best. I constantly am only able to charge it to 75% before the battery warns me that it's going to die, and it doesn't last as long as it should. I'll have to reboot it several times until it takes the full charge, and then it could take all night of charging for it to actually get the full amount of charge. And then the other thing that I don't like is the post box. It's not the best. It's alright, it's just not the best. The way that I've found that helps is to get my writing done on it and then copy paste it over into my Google Docs, which is typically what I'm writing on during this first draft. During the second draft, I may use it a bit. I'm not sure yet, but it's mostly for first drafting. So I don't know, I might use more like Scrivener for my second draft. But overall, I think that for what it is, it's a good tool to have. I don't think it doesn't have a place. I think if you are easily distracted, this could be something that you could use for sure. I would go with a cheaper model though. If writing is important to you, it is helpful to have a tool that's dedicated to it only. And if you just enjoy having something that's only for writing, like a typewriter, but you need something that's easier to move over onto the computer, this might be the tool for you. So overall, I would give it a 3.5 out of 5. It's for what it is, it's good. For how expensive it is, I don't think I could justify it. So anyway, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Like and subscribe. Click the bell icon if you want to be notified anytime I post a video. And let me know if you enjoy this more personal style of video. Anyway, thank you and keep on writing.